Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to archive a channel in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, go to the channel in which you want to archive. Then go to the channel name from the top of the channel. There, go to Settings option. There you can see Archive Channel for Everyone. Click to Archive Channel for Everyone. To confirm it, click to Archive Channel. Then your channel will be archived. This is how you can archive a channel in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.